Hello everyone, this is Lancer from Sunglory. Today we are going to testing the sheet cutting line. It's really going to ship to Saudi for our customer, and I would be pleasure to introduce of this line for you. At this line beginning, this one is the hydraulic unwelding machine to feeding the material. For this one, it can be support 10 times of the material curl. According to customer require, we also design for them to cut off the excess edge on the curl. Even we can collect them. This one is the 6-layer leveling machine. Inside have 19 rollers to making the sheet with the precision flector. After leveling finish, it will cut the sheet in here and feeding them to the palletizing for collection. So if you are interested of this line, please contact with us. Sunglory will help you get a ring.